Today I'm making my coconut chicken tenders. Soak the chicken tenders in the coconut milk for a minimum of 10 minutes to up to 24 hours. Add the coconut, cayenne pepper, garlic, salt, paprika, ginger, and turmeric, and mix that all together. Remove the chicken from the milk and evenly coat it with the coconut mixture. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Bake the chicken on 400 degrees for 5 minutes, turn it over, cook for 5 to 6 more minutes until golden brown. Thanks for watching.